Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for how to sell PDFs online and earn money in 2026, especially as a beginner looking for passive income from home in St. John's, Florida, or anywhere else, this is the comprehensive guide you've been waiting for. In 2026, selling PDFs, think planners, guides, templates, workbooks, checklists, eBooks, Notion setups, or AI prompt packs is one of the smartest, lowest barrier ways to build real online revenue. You create the file once, upload it to a platform, and let automated delivery and payments handle the rest while you sleep or do other things. No inventory, no shipping, zero ongoing fulfillment costs. Many creators are earning hundreds to thousands monthly passively after the initial setup. Today, we're going deep. Why PDFs sell so well right now, what types are hot in 2026, how to create high-quality ones, the best platforms with current pros/cons and fees, step-by-step setup for beginners, pricing strategies, marketing tactics for free and paid traffic, protection against piracy, realistic earnings timelines, common mistakes, and a full roadmap to your first sale and beyond. This is longer and more detailed, so you can follow along and take action today. Let's get into it. First, understand the massive opportunity in 2026 for how to sell PDFs online and earn money. Digital products are booming because people want instant, solvable solutions, quick downloads for productivity, finance, fitness, education, or creativity. With AI tools speeding up creation, anyone can produce professional PDFs fast. Platforms handle secure delivery, payments via Stripe/PayPal, and even some marketing. Once ranked or promoted, sales become passive. Real creators report $300 to $500 monthly from simple PDFs, scaling to 5 figures with bundles or multiple products. Step 1. Choose a profitable PDF idea that people will pay for. Don't create what you love, solve real problems. Hot niches in 2026 include productivity, Notion templates, daily planners, habit trackers, goal-setting worksheets, finance, budget spreadsheets, debt payoff trackers, side hustle planners, self-improvement, affirmation journals, manifestation guides, AI prompt libraries for Midjourney or ChatGPT, business, social media content calendars, email swipe files, freelance proposal templates, hobbies, recipe collections, workout plans, travel itineraries, printable wall art, education, study guides, resume templates, interview prep checklists, research demand. Use Pinterest search for trending pins, Etsy search volume, Google Trends, or Reddit communities like r/Notion or r/passive_income. Aim for evergreen topics with low competition but high search intent. Step 2. Create your high-quality PDF. You don't need expensive software. Free or low-cost tools work great. Use Canva, drag-and-drop designs, AI features for generating text/images, export as PDF. Add interactivity like fillable forms if needed. Google Docs or Microsoft Word. Write content. Format nicely. Export to PDF. ChatGPT or Grok. Generate outlines, full text, prompts edit for your voice. Midjourney or free AI image generators. Create custom visuals. Notion. Build templates. Export pages as PDF. Tips for quality. Make it visually appealing, valuable, and branded. Add bonuses like extra pages or updates to increase perceived value. Aim for 10 to 50 pages, depending on type. Shorter for quick wins, longer for premium. Step 3. Pick the right platform to sell your PDFs. In 2026, options vary by audience, fees, and features. Top ones include Gumroad, super simple for creators, upload PDF, set price, instant delivery. Low fees, built-in affiliates, email list capture. Great for beginners and higher ticket items. Payhip, beginner-friendly, free tier with 5% fee. Anti-piracy like PDF stamping, coupons, upsells. Own your customer data. Selfie, full store builder, secure delivery, marketing tools, anti-piracy features, good for multiple products. Etsy, huge built-in traffic for printables/planners/templates. Digital download section, but higher fees and competition. Creative Market or UI8, niche for design assets. Your own site. WordPress with easy digital downloads for full control, or Shopify with digital downloads app. Higher setup, but no platform fees long-term. Lemon Squeezy or Thrivecart. Handle taxes/VAT globally, great for scaling. Start with Gumroad or Payhip if new zero upfront cost, quick setup. Step 4. Set up and launch your product. Sign up, upload PDF. Write compelling title/description with keywords. Add eye-catching mock-ups. Set price. Beginners $5 to $20 for simple, $20 to $100 for bundles/value packed. Test with discounts. Configure delivery, automatic instant download link, post-purchase. Ad protection. Watermarks, limited downloads, or platform stamping. Step 5. Price and protect your PDFs. Value-based pricing charge, what solves the pain. Offer tiers. Basic PDF at $15. Bundle with extras at $49. Use limited time offers or bundles to boost average order value. Piracy protection. Platforms like Selfie/Gumroad stamp buyer info on PDFs, limit downloads, use secure links. Step 6. Market and drive traffic for sales. Free methods: Pinterest, Reddit, TikTok/Instagram Reels, free Facebook groups, email list from lead magnets. Paid: small Facebook/TikTok ads, Pinterest ads, start with $10 to $20 daily budgets. SEO: optimize listings with keywords. Build a simple site/blog for organic traffic. Collaborate: affiliates, shoutouts from influencers. Realistic timeline: week 1 to 2. Create and launch first PDF. Month 1, $0 to $100 with promotion. Month 3 plus, scale to $300 to $1,000 with more products/traffic. Common mistakes: poor mock-ups/descriptions, no promotion, underpricing, ignoring customer feedback. Taxes: track earnings, platforms may send $1,099 if over $600. Save 25 to 30%. Success examples: creators making $300 to $450 monthly from simple AI prompt PDFs or $10,000 plus from viral Etsy printables. How to sell PDFs online and earn money is about creating value once and letting systems sell forever. Start small, pick one idea, make it this week, launch on Payhip or Gumroad. If this long guide on how to sell PDFs online and earn money in 2026 inspired you, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss the next deep dive into passive income streams. Seriously, subscribing keeps these detailed tutorials coming your way. Comment below. What type of PDF are you planning to create? First planners, templates, or something else? Share your biggest question too. Thanks for watching all the way. Now go create that first PDF and list it today. See you in the next one.